Does it expand when it sets up?
No. Just gets stiff. Stops being cooperative.
Okay.
See, if I had a whole bunch of this stuff,
Yeah, just goop it on and
be done with it.
I think you're good right there.
Yeah.
Just
Dan.
It's
Dan,
yes.
I'm good all the time. Good.
Yeah, it uses NIM batteries.
Yeah. That's good too.
Yes.
Check the picture that you just took.
Oh,
No. You took a picture of me, or did it take?
it did take.
Well, check it and see how I was using my thumb.
It's in my pocket. No, it's not. It's still on right here. Yes.
See how I'm using my thumb? Pushing with my thumb like this.
Like that.
Like this.
Like that.
Opening a bottle. There you go. See, it's almost out there. I just wanted you to finish it.
Okay.
The reason for the rag is so you can wipe your hands so you don't get your camera cracked.
Okay.